The struggle is real, man. The struggle is real. Hey, everybody. Welcome to Band Advice TV. So today we're going to talk about probably one of the most common problems with pedal boards, and we're going to see if we can find a DIY solution for you on it. I'm your host, Mark Allen B, and this is Can You DIY? Now, much like the people that play them, pedals come in all different shapes and sizes. You got your big beefy stomp boxes, you got your lower profile ones, and now we even got the little micro pedals out there. Where the problem comes in is once you get your signal chain all set up the way you want, sometimes it's kind of hard to get that size 12 in there and get that button pressed. Now, you can go online and there's all kinds of solutions out there. You can buy yourself a customized pedal board. You can buy these little metal risers that'll attach to your board that the pedal is set on top of. I've even seen some people take some rubber feet and stick them under there and then zip tie their pedal down just to get them raised up to the height that they need them raised to. Now what I'm going to do is show you the solution that worked for me. I went down to the local dollar store, picked up a box of dominoes, had some leftover Velcro from my pedal board, and a couple of minutes, and soon we're going to have ourselves a pedal riser. Alright, so what you're going to do is figure out how many dominoes that you're going to need. So just kind of line up next to your pedal board here. Looks like 4 is going to be our magic number. Kind of scoop this out. Measure out our Velcro. Separate it. So you got the fuzzy side and you got the not so fuzzy side. Now to be easy on me, I'm going to take the Velcro and stick it onto my board so I can get it nice and flat. And I'm just going to lay down one after another. And wind up in the center. Nice and tight. Get my other Velcro. Alright, so there we go. Got ourselves a little domino riser. So let's go ahead and try this bad boy out. Just stick it right here in the center of my pedal board. Nice and sturdy. Pedal right on it. And now for the real test. Look at that. Size 12 friendly. And if you need to build a riser for one of those micro pedals, you know, you can take the domino and turn it this direction if you need to, but it's a little narrower than what your typical micro pedal is. So, you know, these things are cheap enough. Just go get a hacksaw and just cut them off. Just be safe with any tools, like always. So, all right, so there you go. For the cost of some Velcro and a box of dominoes, which this one came with 28, you can build yourself 7 pedal risers. It's a pretty good deal if you ask me. So until next time, I'm your host, Mark Allen V, and this is Can You DIY on Band Advice TV.